ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೋಮೋಜಿನಿಯಸ್ ಪಿ ಡಿ ಎ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೋಮೋಜಿನಿಯಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಗಿವನ್ ಎನಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್, ಆರ್ಡಿನರಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿ ಇಂಟು ವೈ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 where y is a function of x, and f of d represents a polynomial in capital D where d stands for d by dx, a derivative of the dependent variable with respect to x. So this is called homogeneous differential equation. Then to solve this equation, first step we have to write auxiliary equation, that means f of m equal to 0. Then solve this auxiliary equation. If you have a polynomial of degree n here, then you get totally n roots. Then that roots may be real or may be complex number. Some of them may be equal or all of them may be distinct. So depending on the nature of that roots, we classify the solution into three types. If all the roots are real and distinct, then how to write the solution. Second case, all the roots are real and some of them are equal, then how to write the solution. And third case, if the roots are complex numbers, then how to write the solution. That we have discussed in the previous video. With that in mind, in this video we shall discuss problems on a solution of homogeneous partial differential equations. Here to solve the homogeneous PDE, one more thing that is you have to observe is, whatever the PDE that will be given in the problem statement, you will get derivative of the dependent variable with respect to only one independent variable, so that you can translate that PDE into DE, differential equation. Then you have to follow the method that I mentioned earlier. So let us start with the problem, then you may understand well. Problem A, solve dou square z by dou x square plus z equal to 0 given boundary conditions will be given usually in each problem. X equal to 0, when x equal to when x equal to 0, you will be having z equal to e power y and dou z by dou x equal to 1. So this is the problem statement. Now we need to solve this one. So first, given the differential equation, partial differential equation, it is dou square z by dou x square plus z equal to 0. What are your observations from this equation? Here the derivative with respect to x is given, only that derivative is given. Derivative with respect to the variable x only is given, and z is the dependent variable which depends on x and y. So you have partial derivative means you must have at least two variables. If it has more than two variable, no problem, we don't worry about it. So time being assume z is a function of x and one more variable that I will take as y. Why I should take this one more variable? Because here I have partial differentiation, I mean partial derivative. That means there must be at least two independent variables. So ಎರಡು ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಒಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ವೈ ಅಂತ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು the equivalent differential equation is the equivalent, okay, I'll write that word completely. Equivalent differential equation is, here replace dou by d, that's all, to write the equivalent differential equation. D square z by dx square plus z equal to 0. So this is the equivalent differential equation, d square z by dx square plus z equal to 0. Now use this notation, put capital D equal to d by dx. Then this takes the form d square z plus z equal to 0. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಡಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬಂತು, ಝೆಡ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಈ z ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಡಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ z ಪ್ಲಸ್ z ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಡಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ z, ಸಾರಿ ಡಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಇಂಟು z ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. d square plus 1 into z equal to 0. Say I said already f of d into y equal to 0. That is the general form of homogeneous differential equation. So this will be f of d. This is the dependent variable equal to 0. Now the auxiliary equation is f of m equal to 0. So that implies I have to replace d by m here. M square plus 1 equal to 0. Solving this, you will get m equal to plus or minus I. M square equal to minus 1. So m equal to square root of minus 1, that is plus or minus I. So you got complex roots. So now I have to write the solution. The solution is the solution is dependent variable z equal to e power real part of the root. Here real part is 0. See, plus or minus I you can write as 0 plus or minus I. So real part is 0, imaginary part is 1. So 0 into independent variable is x here times constant. I have to write constant. So constant ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ 0. ನಾನು ಮುಂಚೆನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಂತಂದರೆ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಯಾವ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ವೈ ಇಂಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಕಾಸ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ 1 into x, that I will simply write as x, plus second constant g of y sin x e power 0x into f of y cos x plus f of y into cos x plus g of y into sin x. So that implies I got z equal to f of y cos x plus g of y sin x. So we call this as equation 1. So given when x equal to 0, it is given that z equal to e power y when x equal to 0. So using this in this equation 1, I'll get z in place of z I have to write e power y equal to f of y into I have to put x equal to 0, cos 0 you get 1, so I'll write directly cos 0 you get 1 plus g of y into sin 0 0. So from this you get f of y equal to, therefore f of y equal to e power y, therefore f of y equal to e power y. Next I have to use the second condition. What is given in the second condition? When x is 0, dou z by dou x is 1. So from this I have to find dou z by dou x. From equation 1, dou z by dou x is, differentiate equation 1 both sides with respect to x partially. f of y आगे इरुत्ते, derivative cos x you get minus sin x plus g of y आगे इरुत्ते, derivative sin x you get cos x. Now use the condition dou z by dou x equal to 1 when y equal to 0, sorry x equal to 0, implies 1 equal to f of y into 0 plus g of y into 1. Therefore I'll get I'll get g of y equal to 1. So I got g of y is 1, f of y equal to e power y. Hence the required solution is z equal to e power y cos x plus 1 into sin x. Substituting for f of y and g of y in equation 1, I'll get z equal to e power y cos x plus sin x. This is the required solution. Next, let us discuss one more. Problem B. Solve dou square z by dou x square. Here you have the variable y. Dou square z by dou y square equal to z, given that when y equal to 0, z equal to e power x and dou z by dou y equal to e power minus x. Solution. Given, again first write the given thing. Given dou square z by dou y square equal to z. So the equivalent, again one more thing is here, z is the dependent variable and it depends on x and y. So ಮುಂಚಿನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ x ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, y ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ y ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, I have to assume x. The equivalent DE, equivalent differential equation, is d square z by dy square equal to z. So this I can write as d square z equal to z, where d stands for d by dy. So or this will be dou square z, d square z minus z equal to 0, which implies d square minus 1 into z equal to 0. Now the auxiliary equation is m square minus 1 equal to 0. That implies m equal to plus or minus 1. So I got two roots. I can write this like this, 1 and minus 1. Therefore the solution will be z equal to first constant. Illi with respect to y derivative ide, we have derivative with respect to y, so constant must be function of x. F of x into e power first root into independent variable y plus g of x into e power second root into y, or z equal to f of x e power y into plus g of x e power minus 1. So call this as equation 1 and let us differentiate this here only. Dou z by dou y equal to f of x into derivative of e power y. Derivative of e power y is e power y only, no change in that. Plus g of x into derivative of e power minus y, you get minus e power minus y. So minus g of x into e power minus y. Now use the given condition. So given z equal to what? E power x when x equal to 0. So that means what? Z equal to, that is e power x equal to f of x into, it is y equal to 0, sorry for the mistake, when y equal to 0, e power 0 is 1 plus g of x into again e power 0, you get 1. So from this I got f of x plus g of x equal to e power x. F of x plus g of x equal to e power x. Next, second condition is dou z by dou x equal to e power minus x when y equal to 0. So that implies e power minus x equal to f of x minus g of x. If you substitute y equal to 0 in equation 2, you get this one, e power minus x equal to f of x minus g of x. So call this as equation 3, this as equation 4. Adding equation 3 and 4, adding equation 3 and 4, what do we get? G of x get cancelled, so you will get 2 f of x equal to e power x plus e power minus x. So that implies f of x equal to e power x plus e power minus x by 2. But this is nothing but cos hyperbolic x. E power x plus e power minus x by 2 is cos hyperbolic x. Now, subtracting equation 4 from equation 3. See, f of x minus f of x, that to get cancelled. Sorry, from this you have to subtract this. Subtract 4 from 3. Okay, g of x minus g of x. You get 2 times of g of x equal to e of x minus e power minus x. So that implies g of x equal to e power x minus e power minus x by 2. That is sin hyperbolic x. Thus the required root is z equal to f of x into e power y alva, cos hyperbolic x into e power y plus sin hyperbolic x into e power minus 1. That is the required solution. Next, let us consider one more. Problem C. Solve dou square z by dou x square equal to a square z, given that x equal to 0, given that when x equal to 0, you will be having z equal to 0 and dou z by dou x equal to a sin y. So this is the given problem statement. As usual, solution. Given dou square z by dou x square equal to a square z, or this equivalently you can write as dou square z by dou x square minus a square z equal to 0. Here z is a function of x and y, that is the dependent variable z, and derivatives are given with respect to x. The equivalent differential equation is equivalent differential equation of this is d square z by dx square minus a square z equal to 0. This you can write as d square minus a square times z equal to 0. where d stands for d by dx. Now the auxiliary equation is m square minus a square equal to 0. That implies m equal to plus or minus a. So you will be having z equal to dependent variable z equal to, so real roots you have plus a and minus a. First constant f of y into e power ax plus g of y into e power minus ax. F of y e power ax plus g of y e power minus ax. So I can call this as equation 1. Now differentiating that with respect to with respect to x partially, I will get dou z by dou x equal to f of y into derivative of e power x, you will get a into e power x. So a f of y e power ax minus a g of y e power minus ax. So I'll call this as equation 2. Now, okay, so it is given first condition when x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, you will be having z equal to 0. So this condition implies 0 equal to look into z here, f of y into e power 0 1 plus g of y into again e power 0 1. So from this we will be having f of y equal to minus g of y. F of y equal to minus g of y. Next condition, when x equal to 0, dou z by dou x will be a sin y. So that implies dou z by dou y is here, a sin y equal to a into f of y, here e power 0 you get 1 minus a into g of y, again e power 0 1. So you can cancel a on both sides, so that implies you will get sin y equal to f of y minus g of y. But we have minus g of y equal to f of y. So substituting that here, sin y equal to f of y plus f of y. Therefore f of y equal to sin y by 2. And g of y equal to, that is minus f of y, so minus sin y by 2. Hence the required solution is, z equal to f of y into e power x alva. F of y ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ sin y by 2 e power ax minus sin y by 2 e power minus ax. So this is the required solution. Now there is one more problem exactly similar to this. Try to solve this one. Solve dou square z by dou x square equal to a square z. You have same equation given that when x equal to 0, dou z by dou x equal to a sin y. See, same conditions. and dou z by dou y equal to 0. This is the twist here. So try to solve this one. So I have to get finally the answer. I have to get z equal to some constant k into cos hyperbolic ax plus sin y sin hyperbolic ax. So try to solve this. Okay, there is one more problem E. Solve, right, I have to take solve dou square u by dou x square plus u equal to 0 when u satisfies the condition. U satisfies the condition. First one, u of 0 comma y equal to e power 1 by 2, and the second condition is dou u by dou x of 0 comma y equal to 1. Solution. See here, it is given that first let us write the given equation. Given that dou square u by dou x square plus u equal to 0. Here u is a function in two variables, u equal to u of x comma y. When x is 0, the value of u will be, from this condition, when x is 0, the value of u will be e power 1 by 2. Next, from this one, when x is 0, the value of dou u by dou x is 1. Value of dou u by dou x is 1. So this is the given problem. Now you have to solve this one. Okay, write the equivalent differential equation. The equivalent differential equation is d square u by dx square plus u equal to 0. This I can write using capital D as d square u plus u equal to 0. So here the dependent variable is u, or this will be d square plus 1 into u equal to 0. Now the auxiliary equation is m square plus 1 equal to 0. M square plus 1 equal to 0. Solving that, m equal to plus or minus I. This you can write if you want as 0 plus or minus I. The solution is, see here the dependent variable is u, so you have to write dependent variable here, equal to constants must be the independent variable which is not, derivative of which is not occurring here. So constant ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರಬೇಕೀಗ? Okay, e power, so constant I will write within bracket, e power real part into, what is the independent variable presented here? X. So e power 0 into x into constant ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? f of y into cos x plus g of y sin x. So u equal to f of y cos x plus g of y sin x. F of y cos x plus g of y sin x. Now it is given that u of 0 comma y equal to e power 1 by 2. So that, yes, before that let's find the derivative. Yes, correct. If you differentiate this with respect to x, you get dou u by dou x equal to derivative of cos x, you get minus sin x. So minus f of y sin x plus g of y cos x. Now calling this as equation 2, the given conditions are when x equal to 0, u equal to e power 1 by 2. U equal to e power 1 by 2. So using that in equation 1, 0 equal to f of u into cos 0 1 plus g of y, sorry, that is f of y into 1 plus g of y into 0. So this term vanishes, second term vanishes, you get f of y equal to 0. You get f of y equal to, okay, it is not 0, sorry, e power 1 by 2 it is. So f of y is e power 1 by 2. Next, the second condition is when x equal to 0, you will be having dou u by dou x equal to 1. So from equation 2, from this equation, 1 equal to minus f of y into sin 0 0. So no need to worry about the first term. Second term, g of y into cos 0 1. So g of y will be 1. Therefore u equal to e power 1 by 2 into cos x plus, okay, like this, e power 1 by 2 into cos x plus 1 into sin x. So this is the required solution. So let's have one more. Solve dou square z by dou y square equal to z, given that dou square z by dou y square equal to z, given that z equal to 0 and dou z by dou y equal to sin x. This is when y equal to 0. Solution. Given dou square z by dou y square equal to z, equivalently I can write this as dou square z by dou y square minus z equal to 0. Okay, now here z is the dependent variable and it depends on x and y, and derivative is given with respect to y. The equivalent DE is d square z by dy square minus z equal to 0. So I can write this as d square minus 1 into z equal to 0. So the auxiliary equation is m square minus 1 equal to 0. That means m equal to plus or minus 1. So z equal to e power 1 into y. Okay, first constant, that is f of x into e power 1 into y plus g of x into e power minus 1 into y, or you can write z equal to f of x e power y plus g of x e power minus y. Call this as equation 1. Next, dou z by dou y equal to f of x e power y minus g of x e power minus y. Call this as equation 2. Now using the given conditions, first condition, when y equal to 0, you will be having z equal to 0. So from that, using this in equation 1, 0 equal to f of x plus g of x, or you can take f of x equal to minus g of x. They are of opposite signs. Next condition, dou z by dou y equal to sin x when y equal to 0. So using this condition, in equation 2, sin x equal to f of x into 1 minus g of x into 1. Substituting for minus g of x from this, I'll get this as f of x plus f of x. Therefore, f of x is sin x by 2 and g of x is minus sin x by 2. Therefore, the required solution is z equal to sin x by 2 into e power y minus sin x by 2 into e power minus 1. Or if you want, you can simplify this as e power y, common term ಇರೋದು ಯಾವುದು, sin x ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ this will be e power y minus e power minus y by 2. So this is sin x into sin hyperbolic y. So you can continue in that way, or you can stop here, no problem. So last problem in this method, solve dou square u by, I think it is f, I don't know exactly, dou square u by dou x dou y equal to dou u by dou x. Using the substitution, dou u by dou x, using the substitution, dou u by dou x equal to v. Solution. So this we can't directly solve as in the previous problems. Given dou square u by dou x dou y equal to dou u by dou x. See, mixed derivatives are equal whenever the function is continuous. Assuming the function is continuous, I can write this one as dou by dou y of, okay, write one more step, mixed derivatives are continuous. Using that fact, I can write this as dou square u by dou y dou x equal to dou u by dou x. Keep in mind that it is given dou u by dou x equal to v, and here u is a function in two variables, x and y. U is the actual dependent variable. Now from this, what we can do, this I can write as dou by dou y of dou u by dou x equal to dou u by dou x. But it is given that dou u by dou x equal to v. So this statement is equivalent to dou v by dou y equal to v, or dou v by dou y minus v equal to 0. The equivalent differential equation is equivalent DE differential equation is dV by dy minus V equal to 0. So that you can write as d minus 1 times of V equal to 0. Now the auxiliary equation is m minus 1 equal to 0. So that implies m equal to 1. So the solution is, here the dependent variable, in this case dependent variable is V. V equal to constant, ಇಲ್ಲಿ y ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ x ಬರಬೇಕು, f of x into e power ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ root 1 into independent variable y. So I got V equal to f of x e power y. Substitute for V. Basically I want u. So dou u by dou x equal to f of x e power y. I want u. So integrating. What do you get if you integrate? U equal to integral of f of x e power y dx plus constant, that should be function of, I am integrating with respect to x, so that should be function of y. So you can write this one as e power y constant alva, so integral f of x dx plus g of y. This I can write as capital F of x. So u equal to e power y into capital F of x plus g of y. This is the required solution. So with this we are going to wind up our discussion on solution of homogeneous PD.